Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do a really needed review, and it has been like going around guys asking for a Skrill application, a Skrill account, a Skrill transfer app review. So we got it here, so we're going to go on and proceed with this review. I'm going to talk about everything you need to know about Skrill, everything you need to know, how to use it, how to make it work, and which countries can it work from. So let's go on and start our review. So and this is the application. This is Skrill. If you don't have it, you will go on and download it from Play Store. So just go and search for Skrill. So if you want to transfer money from all over the world, from US, from Canada, from England, from Arab countries, from Dubai, from UAE, from Qatar, Oman, from anywhere over the world, this application is very good for you. It will do wonders for you. So let's go on and do a quick review of this application. So what you have to do is very simple and fast, is to go on and download this application. You go on into Play Store, you download it. After downloading it, you come here. You need this account to be verified, so you go on and tap verification and features. You tap there. After you need a national ID or a passport, and you yourself, so you need to verify this application. So this is what you will be. It's account limit. Your account limit will be removed. Your withdrawals will be available in all options. I'm going to show you which options you can use to withdraw and receive money from, which currencies you can receive money from. So let's go on and tap what we need. So what you have to do is have a few things here. We have add, we have transfer, and we have exchange. So when you tap add, this is what you will see here. You'll be able to add money to your Skrill account. So you go on and tap select payment method. When you select payment method, they will show you something like this. So you'll be able to add money on your Skrill account with just your ATM, your account, your bank account, using your ATM. So you need to add a card number, a CVC, and then the expiry date. Then you'll be able to add money to your Skrill account. It is very simple and easy. Just have to add a card, and you'll be able to add money to your Skrill account. You can add a card. You can add 1 up to 5 cards to this account. So that's finished. Now we're going to show you how you can do anything like this. So you can also tap here exchange. From exchange, you can exchange money from USD, from all these currencies here. You have USD and euro, so you can receive money in the form of euro, or you can receive money in the form of USD. So you can receive money in euro and withdraw it in USD. This depends on what you carrier uses. So if you receive money and you can withdraw it in form of USD, you'll be able to convert this money. I'm going to show you because I did this conversion when I received my money from a far up country. So you go on and do that exchange. So when you tap transfer, this is what you get from your account, from your Skrill account. So you can send money to yourself. This is the withdraw part. You can send money from Skrill account to another Skrill account. You can do an international money transfer. That's from your bank card, your bank or card, to a bank account abroad. Transfer and great exchange rates. You can request money from anyone with a Skrill account, who, if they don't have a Skrill account yet, send them a link to pay. So you can also do this, but my best one is to send money to yourself, and then an international money transfer. So you can send money to a lot of countries with this Skrill account. So you just tap there, you select the amount you want to send. You can choose to send money in different countries. You can see very many countries. All of these countries, you can send money to those countries. Other are not mentioned here, but there are very more other countries. But this is just a simple list of the countries that support Skrill. So you can go on and select the amount you want to send, and to show here the amount you want to send from your currency, then the amount the other person will receive from their country. So you go on and choose deliver to bank account, pay with debit card. So the person will receive the money in his or her bank account, but your money will be deducted from the debit card. This is very simple and easy. So from here, send to yourself. This is a part where you can do withdrawals. This works in countries where there is mobile money, where you can receive money from your your SIM card from your carrier network. For example, if you have Airtel, you have MTN, you have can you have very many carriers that you can use, but you can just add it, and with just a minimum fee of just 0.55 USD, you'll be able to receive your money from your friends abroad to your mobile money. So you can use also your bank account. You can save money to your bank. Just have to put in your bank card, your bank account, and you withdraw this money. So this is me. This is the proof that I did all what I'm showing you here. So when you go on have the transaction, say when you tap see all, I'm going to show you all the transaction I did. First and foremost, I received money from Skrill to Skrill. This is my friend from abroad. I received this money. It was around 106 euros. I received this money. That's how I received it. So I went on. What I did is to send my email to that person, and he was able to send my money to my account, my Skrill account. So I went on to exchange this money. It was in form of euros, but my account was supporting USD. So I did exchange from the euro to USD, as you can see here. I did 1 euro was around 1.021638 USD. So I did an exchange and received that different amount in USD. So I also went on to withdraw this money to my bank account. This is what happened. So I received this money to my bank account from Skrill, from the other country, then to my account on Skrill, then to my bank account. So this works, guys. This works very well. So after doing that, I also did another test. I tried to withdraw from my bank account back to my Skrill account. So I added this money back from my bank account back to my Skrill account to see if it can work really well. After finishing that, then I went on to withdraw that money from my Skrill account to my mobile account, to my mobile wallet. As you can see, sent to your mobile wallet. I received this money, which was very instant. This is the quickest method to receive your money to your account, to your SIM card, to your carrier network. This worked so fine. It took just seconds, and then I received this money to my account. This is a very simple and easy thing you can do if you want to receive money abroad from several countries, from different countries. But a lot of things I like here, there is also another part here where you can earn rewards from this application. So whatever transaction you make, you receive a point. You receive a point. You receive a point, and 1 point for every 1 euro you withdraw to your bank or debit card. So these points can be redeemed and receive money back to your account. So far I have 99 points, but you can receive up to 1,000 points and receive money to your bank account. This is a really easy and nice thing that you'll be able to receive points. This is the withdraw I did that got me those 99 points to my account. So I can redeem these points and receive money in form of euros or USD. That's it, guys. I think this is all I can say about Skrill account, and nothing much I can add. That's it, guys. So you can receive money whatever you want, and you enjoy the service. Thank you so much. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.